Alright, I think we need a little garden update video. I don't know how long it's been, a week? Maybe 2. So, where should we start? Let's just start over here. We're not going to talk about the strawberries. Today, I will be posting a strawberry video just about all of them that I got actually picked today. More were picked a few days ago. My mom said she picked about the same amount. I might have picked a little more today. And then there's still more, you can quite see, that are getting red. Okay, enough about the strawberries. Let's look at the black raspberries. You can see these are new ones. And here are the black raspberries. This is the second year growing them. You only get fruit the second year from second year canes or vines, whatever you call them. These are the first year vines right here, the greener ones, and the red ones, you can tell those are the second year ones I've talked about in other videos. But let's just look. There's quite a few black raspberries growing, as you can see. Tons and tons of them. Even more growing down here and here, right there. Anywhere you look, there are more growing. Some down here. But yeah, this thing's quite large, and it's actually in my walking path. And it's hard to walk back here because it kind of hurts. And ooh, there's quite a few right there. Get a close up of them. They're looking nice. Each one of those has been pollinated. Each one of those little spheres. Goodness. And there's quite a few more down here. But yeah, let's move on. Asparagus. I'm pretty sure there was a insect that ate most of these, but there are some new green ones growing. These are just growing. They won't grow the asparagus this year, I don't think. I thought they would have, but because this is the second year, but they didn't. So we'll see how they do this year. They just need to grow vegetation and get the roots down. It's a little compact back here. The black raspberry kind of takes over this edge. So these are new ones down here. I might let those grow. There's more black raspberry. These are the potatoes. They're doing good. I don't see any flowers, but they are getting a lot of vegetation. So I bet some potatoes aren't growing. Let's move on. Let's start on this end. Look at the lettuce. So we've picked a lot of lettuce. This was all picked, like all of this, and it's already going back quite nicely. So is this. It's starting to grow back. Starting to grow. I picked the bottom of this, let this one grow up, because I wasn't sure if I'd kill it all the way, but it doesn't seem, because you can see new growth. It doesn't seem if I would cut this, it would keep growing. And then I let this one grow because I want to see if it grows ahead of lettuce, which would be pretty cool. And then I cut the other ones. Except I don't think I cut the back two because they aren't big enough yet. They were slow growers for some reason. This one is growing, you can see here. These ones both grew very well. Here's the celery. It's doing well. It's got some dirt on it. This broccoli needs to be set up because it's kind of taking the celery's sunlight and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to set this up, maybe that one a little, but they're doing good. As you can see, broccoli should start growing. I can't see any quite yet, but this was grown from seed, so the seeds are quite small, so I'm kind of happy about that this year. Haven't had any success with broccoli in the past, but I'm hoping that since I did it from seed, it will do good. Here's the Brussels sprout. Planted at the same time as the broccoli. I do not think it likes the sunlight. Moving on to the tomatoes. These are tomatoes back here. That's actually it grew itself from last year tomatoes, probably from seeds that I left in here. And that's a piece of wheat. Okay, and then these are the peppers. Oh, the tomato does have some flowers right there. This one, I'm thinking that's the Roma. These two are the Roma. Those back there are the big ones. And if you can see, here, let me get back here. There are some flowers starting to grow on those as well, which is nice to see. These peppers did come to frost damage. However, they have bounced back, surprisingly. They're getting flowers on them. I might not let those flowers grow so they can focus on some vegetation first. So this one, it's doing all right. Just needs to grow up a little more. I actually have a couple chili peppers I'm gonna put here and here because I think this is just a sweet pepper. This one survived, but there was two more, and we'll have to put those in. Next, we got some peas growing. I just transplanted this one, and it seems to be almost getting flowers, which is nice to see. We have two varieties. I don't remember the names, I'm sorry. But you can tell the difference between the flowers. Here's one variety, has this really pretty purplish flower. And then the other one is just white right here. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah. And then if we look, the peas kind of blend in. Here's a pea. There's quite a few. I might do a harvest video of them because we just have a few of them, but I can make like a compilation of when I pick them because there are some ready to pick. Let me show you a couple. I want to see, has any of the purple ones started making the peas yet? Oh, this one's a purple pea. So, I don't know if there'll be a difference between the taste, but here's a big one. That's a big purple pea. Okay, it's not a purple pea, just the flower's purple. But, yep, you can see those little peas growing inside. And then we got these other ones. These are from the white ones. As you can see, there's quite a few of them in here. These are some big ones. And then we actually got, these ones are quite large. Probably got pretty big peas inside of there, which is nice to see. And then not last thing. So here's a grape. It's not growing. I pulled the root out. I saw a root growing, so I'm gonna let it keep growing. That's aroma. This is another tomato. I don't remember. That's actually spinach, and it's seeming to flower for some reason. Here's a pumpkin. I actually have a watermelon at my other house that I need to plant into that pot. So I'm going to try to grow watermelon from that pot. And I might have a cucumber, but I don't have another pot. Well, I do, right there. I'll bring the soil. Perfect. And here is the wheat. My awesome experiment. It's actually winter wheat. So I planted this in the fall, and it's been growing ever since. It literally grew through the winter. Was green throughout the winter, and has since started producing heads a few weeks ago. And I'm not sure what stage it is. I could check by doing something. I just need to pull one of these anthers, pull it back, and 1 second. If I just pull it, having some technical issues at the moment, it won't come off. Here, let me just try to pinch it. And it is, you can see that little watery thing. It's like, I don't know, I didn't taste it, but that shows that it's in the milking stage. 10.2, is that the milking stage? I don't remember, in a while. So that's what I think it's at, 10.2. So it has a few weeks till it's gonna be ready, but that's quite cool. And yeah, that's basically all we got. Probably do a couple harvest videos. You'll see the strawberries, and the wheat will be pretty cool to harvest, and the peas, that will be mostly throughout the season, as they all don't just grow at once. So, black raspberry, not blackberry. I've actually never had a black raspberry, so we'll see how they taste. So thanks for watching this gardening update video, and I'll see you next time.